Recording. Stop recording.
Hi again, it's Dan here with another quick impromptu video of the Mac OS 10 with voiceover. Now today I'm actually going to try to show you at least three things. One, I'm going to show you the menu bar, which you can find very easily. And two, I'm going to show you launchpad. And three, I'm going to give you a quick look at Safari, which is Apple's native web browser, of course. Okay, first of all, we're going to start at the menu bar. Now, there are two ways to access this. There's actually three ways to access this. One, you can use the voiceover commands, which is Control-Option-M. Two, you can use the Mac native keyboard command, which is Control-F2. And if you have a MacBook Pro with a Magic Trackpad, or an iMac with the Magic Trackpad on the iMac, or the built-in trackpad on the MacBook Pro, you can access the menu bar by tapping two fingers at the top of the trackpad, which is a voiceover gesture, which brings up the menu bar. Okay, the menu bar contains a few things: your shutdown and restart and log out options, and Finder options where you can adjust settings in your Finder, view options where you can change the view of the icons laid out on your screen in a particular application. Okay, so I'm going to bring up the menu bar now with Control-Option-M.
Menu bar Apple.
And as you heard it say, menu bar Apple. Now you're in the Apple menu, so to activate this menu,
item. To open this menu, press Control-Option down arrow.
You can either do it that way, Control-Option down arrow, or you can just press the down arrow on the keypad. So I'm going to press down arrow now.
Apple menu.
Apple menu, okay, and in this one we have
About this Mac.
About this Mac. We can find out all your specs of your current machine.
Software update ellipsis. About this Mac. Software update ellipsis.
Software update. That's basically like Windows Update, where you can do your software updates on your machine.
You are currently on a menu.
And we have
App Store ellipsis.
App Store, which is the App Store for the Mac App Store, which is very useful, and I will show you that in another video.
System preferences ellipsis.
System preferences, where you can adjust all your system preferences on the Mac. And I'll show you that at some stage.
Dock, submenu.
The dock, where you can adjust items on the dock, and it's a sub-menu, and to activate that you can either go right arrow.
On menu. Dock, submenu. Turn hiding on, Command-Option-D.
And to hide the dock you do Command-Option-D, which basically hides all your icons at the bottom of your screen.
Turn magnification on.
Turn magnification on, where you can turn all your magnification on to enlarge the screen icons.
Position on left.
Position the dock on the left.
Checkmark. Position on bottom.
Position on the bottom of the screen.
Position on right.
You can position it on the right as well. And I have mine standard on the bottom of the screen. I like it. It's there on the iPad as well.
Dock preferences ellipsis.
And you can add dock preferences where you can add further settings to the dock.
Turn hiding on, Command-Option-D.
Okay, that's all in that checkbar.
Help center. Search. Interactive. Window menu. Minimize. Command-M. Help menu. Search. Apple menu. About software update. System prep. Dock. Recent items. Submenu.
Recent items where you can open recent things.
Recent items.
iTunes. Mail.
Preview. QuickTime Player.
That's a few things that I've been running in the background.
Vertical splitter. Safari. The QuickTime Player. The 17th of June 2011 02:00. No row selected. Close window. Desktop. Macintosh HD. Elements. Selected volume. Menu bar. Apps. Dock. Submit. Sleep. Force quit. Ellipsis.
Force quit. That's a very useful function. If an item crashes, it's very unlikely to happen on the Mac, but it does occasionally. You can use that to force quit any item. It's still running, you can't get it to quit using the native Mac commands. Sleep, you can put your Mac to sleep, and there is an option to do that. The keyboard, I think it's Command Eject key. I just do it. I just let it go to sleep. If I'm going out anywhere, I just let it go, and it just goes to sleep very quickly. And it's very power efficient. It doesn't use hardly any electricity at all. Restart, that's self-explanatory. If you do that, you can restart your machine.
Shutdown, ellipsis.
Shutdown, that's very self-explanatory. You can use that to shut down your machine at the end of the day.
You are currently on a menu item. To choose, log out, Dan low.
Log out, that's me. If you want to log out of your user account, if you have more than one on this machine, I don't. I just have my native account, so if I wanted to, I could log out and log back in again, but which I'm not going to do.
About this Mac.
About this Mac again. So that's basically on the Apple menu now. If you scroll to the right arrow,
Finder menu.
Finder menu, that's your options for your Finder, which is your hard drive, your desktop.
File menu.
File menu, that's basically the file menu. You can
New Finder Wind, new folder, Command Shift N.
Do new folders.
New Smart Folder, Command
New
Option
folders.
N. New Burn Folder.
So basically what you get in Windows when you want to create a new folder or anything, new file, anything
You are currently
like that.
Open, Command, Get Info, Command, Duplicate, Make Alias, Command L, Quick Look Elements, Command Y, Eject Elements, Burn Elements to Disk, Find, Command F.
Okay, so
Edit menu.
edit menu.
Copy elements.
That's a
Command
copy
C.
and paste.
Select all. Command Show Clipboard. Special characters. Ellipsis. Copy elements. Command C. View menu.
View menu, as I said before, that's where you can change things to either icon view or list view. Very useful
You are currently on
menu.
the
I
menu.
have mine set, all my icons set to list view. I just find it easier to navigate them that way.
Go menu.
Go menu.
Back and closing folder. All my file documents. Command Shift O.
That's where you can open things from, like your documents.
Desktop. Command
Desktop.
Shift D. Downloads. Command Option L. Home. Command Shift H. Computer. Command Shift C. AirDrop. Command Shift R. Network. Command Shift K. iDisk. Submenu. Applications. Window menu. Minimize. Dim.
And that's
L.
your window menu, basically,
Elements,
where you
selected
can
volume.
minimize and close all your windows from. Okay, Launchpad. This is a new feature in macOS 10 Lion. Launchpad is basically a very, very quick way of viewing all your applications that you have on your Mac. And it looks very, very similar to the home screen you get on the iPhone and iPad. Now, again, there are two ways to launch Launchpad, and I'm going to launch from the dock again this time. Now, you can access the dock by Control F3, which is the native Mac command, Control D, which is a voiceover command, or if you double tap with two fingers at the bottom of the trackpad, you can open the dock that way. So I'm going to use the trackpad, just tapping once with two fingers. I turn the trackpad on.
Trackpad Commander on.
Double tap, just tap the screen once with two fingers at the bottom of the trackpad.
Macintosh HD.
Hold on.
Selected volume. Dock.
Double tap
Finder.
with two fingers. Okay, now Launchpad is very on the top of is right on the left hand side of the dock. So if I just scroll right with the voiceover commands.
Launchpad.
Launchpad. Okay, to activate that I can have a double tap on the trackpad, which I will do.
Interact with grid. Address book.
Now all my apps appear on the screen, as you can see. Okay, Launchpad. All my apps are here.
App Store. Automator. Calculator. Chess.
Everything's there. You can launch all your apps from there, and it's a very, very, very quick way of doing all your
You
apps.
are
I
currently
use it a lot.
Inside of
If I want to do something very, very quickly, it just brings everything up, and I can just choose the one I want. And the one we want today is Safari. So if I scroll right, so I get to Safari.
Dashboard. Dictionary. DVD. Font book. iCal, iChat, Image, iTunes, Mail, Mission Control, Photo, Preview, QuickTime Player, Safari, Stickies, Safari.
Safari. And to activate
You are
Safari,
currently
we
on the
do
button.
Control Option Space.
Press Safari. Safari, Untitled Window, Toolbar. Dim. Show bookmarks, unchecked checkbox. Link, but. Search edit.
yourself that.
Close window. Safari has no windows.
And to open address bar in Safari, we do Command L.
Open location.
Now let's go to Google.
Period.
.com.
Unhighlighted. Dim HX.
Okay, now we should
Enter
be
in search. Search. Clickable edit text.
in the search bar. So we type in Apple.
Link. Apple's official UK store vertical line. Store.apple.com. List one item. Finder. Desktop. Macintosh HD. Safari.
Okay.
Safari. Apple. Google search window. Link. Leaving search. Link. Apple's official UK store vertical line.
Yes, Apple
Store.apple.com.
UK store. If you press
link.
that,
Apple's
it
official UK
takes us
store vertical line. Store.apple.com.
straight to the Apple site.
Entering banner.
Here
Link.
we go.
Home. List. End of list. Search. Search Apple Store. Leaving search. Link. Welcome to the Apple Store.
Here we go.
And
It brings
list
up
items.
basically your Apple
Link.
Apple
link.
website.
Links. End of list.
Now that's Safari. There are
Link.
plenty of
Link.
other features in
Link.
here.
Link.
We
List.
can make
Link.
Safari full screen. We can download things with Safari. I just wanted to give you a quick look today of how Safari appears on the screen. Okay, well, if we
Link.
scroll
Track
up and
in
down
order.
the page,
Link. Return items. Link. Cancel items. Link. View order history. Link. Account home page. End of list. Entering main. Link. iPad 2 from pound 399.
okay,
End of list.
that's basically all your the first things you get on the screen, just promoting things like the iPad.
You are currently on the
Okay.
list inside of H.
And VoiceOver works with Safari very, very well. You can add forms in and use different things, searching things, and other things as well. You can download things like movies and stuff using Safari, and VoiceOver works just fine with that. And I will do another video on just Safari by itself if people would like me to do that. Okay, well, I'm going to bring this one to a close again. If you
QuickTime Player
would like this video and would like me to do more, please comment at the bottom. It'd be brilliant to hear what people have to say about this, especially for the visually impaired users who have listened to this. Okay, well, thank you again, and I will hopefully do another one very, very soon. Okay, take care for now. Bye.